मोहम्मद नासिफ.
मोहम्मद आसिफ. नासिफ. आप कहाँ से हो?
I'm from Lakshadweep.
लक्षद्वीप. Alright. आपका नाम?
Pavitra,
Pavitra. And where are you from?
Kerala.
So, guys, I have this Kashmiri Kangdi with me. It's a very, very interesting thing in Kashmir because it's winters. And I want you to hold it. And आप इसको देखिए अच्छे से. And whatever comes inside your mind, आप guess कीजिए what it may be used for.
Anything used to heat something up?
Sorry?
To heat something up, like for making
To
heat something.
to heat something. Yes, a bit correct. You are in the right direction. थोड़ा सा और.
Is it to make the room warm? Something.
All right. आप would you like to guess, sir?
Same like
To heat the room.
climate condition.
So, what's your name, ma'am?
Manisha.
Manisha. And where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
You are from Bangalore.
It's winter.
Yeah.
Lots of chai.
Sorry?
Lots of chai.
Chai.
Yeah. I cannot think of anything else right now.
No, it's not used for chai. I'll give you a hint. It's used to keep ourselves warm.
Something like dhoop. Dhoop.
Doop.
You get these agarbattis and all, no?
What's your name?
Julia.
Julia. And your name?
Tejaswini.
Tejasvi. And Tejaswini. Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Kerala.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
So you burn some incense and is it for that? You burn some incense.
You guess.
Maybe like you put something on fire or something as such. Yeah.
You are close. You need to guess like who use it for basically.
Is it something to make you warm?
Yes, your name?
Harshini.
Harshini. And where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
You are from Bangalore, so you are local, right? Okay. So right now, ma'am, we have this Kashmiri Kangdi. It's a very special thing in Kashmir nowadays because it's winters and it's very cold in Kashmir. Also, it's cold in Bangalore also. So I want you to take a look, a very good look, and I want you to guess what it may be used for in Kashmir during winters.
Okay. Like to add some charcoal, make it a little hot. And
Okay.
It helps you to warm yourself over there in the middle of the snow and everything. Maybe that is why it is used.
How do you know it?
See, there's a pot, okay? So when it comes pot, basically you can cook or you can take the shelter. So I thought, let me just keep your arms or fingers to warm yourself.
Yes, you have guessed it correctly. Do
you.
you know what we wear in Kashmir during winter? It's a very long coat.
Yeah, I can visualize it, but I don't know the name of your attire.
It's called Farran.
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 Farran, nice.
Well, you have guessed it correctly.
Thank you. Thanks
Yes.
a lot.
I'll say you something in Kashmiri and you will have to try to pronunciate it. Okay.
Okay.
It doesn't need to be perfect. You are free. Okay. So it's a Kashmiri song basically.
Okay.
Ranye daman pyomai shrine gomai baliye.
Word by word. Please.
Ranye daman
Rangyo Taman.
pyomai
Pyomai.
shrine gomai
Shren Gomai.
baliye.
Baliye.
Yes. Now, can you try to say it, all of it together?
Rangyo Tamai Shomai Balihai.
Alright. It's Ranye daman pyomai
Rangyo Tamano Pyomai.
shrine gomai baliye.
Shren Gomai
Baliye.
Baliye.
Alright, great. The sentence is Dupta Nunam Dalki Vavano.
Dupti Nunam Daliki Vavane.
Alright, correct. And you?
Dupta Numale Dediki Vanano.
It is Dupta Nunam Dalki Vavano.
Dupta Nunam Deliki Vanano.
Yes, correct. Meh chh kashir lukh variya pasand.
One more time, please.
Meh chh kashir lukh variya pasand.
Mirchi Kashurlo Varia person.
Yes, like you are good. Are you from Kashmir?
Mirsha
Kashir lukh
Karshila
variya pasand.
Varia Pasant.
The meaning of this sentence is I love Kashmiri people.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely. Yeah, definitely.
You love Kashmiri people.
Of course.
That's great. Thank you so much for being in this video and thank you for your time. Thank you so much. Rind Poshmal Gindine Dry Lolo.
Rind Poshmal Gindine Try Lolo.
Correct. Yeah. Wow. First try. One more thing, one more line is Dupt Numai Dalki Vavano.
Gipti Numai Daliki Baba.
Yeah, correct.
We're good.
You guys are great effort, but yeah. Would you like to say one more thing which is slightly easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Mesh Kashir look varia pasan. I'll say slowly, okay? Mesh Kashir look varia pasan.
Measure
Kashir look
Kasherle
varia pasan.
Varya Pasar.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Well, that's it.
What does this mean?
It means I love Kashmiri people.
I love Kashmir.
Do you love Kashmiri people?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
That's great. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's do one more thing.
Yeah, tell me.
One last thing.
Yeah.
I'll say something in Kashmiri and you will have to try to repeat it.
No, that pronunciation to I'm very bad.
You will have to try.
No, that
People-
pronunciation is very bad actually.
A little bit. It will be very easy.
Okay, just give me, I'll just try it out, but I'll not.
Okay. Dilbara Tawan Zada Ada Ada Janhago.
No, I'm really no, not.
Please try.
Okay,
Dilbara
Dilbara,
Tawan Zada
Tavanzada,
Ada Ada
Adada,
Janhago.
Jan Hago.
Please now complete the sentence. Hold.
Seriously, no, I can't. It's not impossible. It is.
We'll say it together.
Okay. But what is the meaning of what you're telling?
It's a Kashmiri song basically.
Can I hear it?
After that, after you can hear. Dilbara Tawan Zada Ada Ada Janhago. Please.
Come again.
Dilbara
Dilbara,
Tawan Zada
Tavanzada,
Ada Ada
Adada,
Janhago.
Jan Hago.
Alright.